Yo, what's good everybody? Screen Young here, back with some more diecast stuff, and this is just a quick update on this Ford Escort that I labeled as a fail video in my last one. But now, as you can see, this is completely done now. I have the decals for it on the car, and this Escort is ready to roll out. So I'm pretty much done with this. The only thing I need to do is just screw the car back together. It's still off of the base right now, but as you can see there's a little piece of a decal on the ground there. But yeah, I just had to put the decal on. I reprinted another set of decals because I don't know what I was thinking before. I saw somewhere on YouTube that you could use hairspray instead of clear coat, but this time I decided to just, you know what, not use any of that crap and just use the clear coat instead, and that worked pretty well. So now we have the finished Escort right here. So another thing I was planning on doing with this car was putting LED headlights into this car, because it does have the plastic front headlights instead of the just, you know, black plastic or metal body. It does have little plastic headlights, so I could put LEDs in it, but I don't know if I want to or not. I don't know, but it does roll, it does move about. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I don't really have anything else to say for this car except that it is done and it looks a lot better than it did before. This poor little guy probably would have been condemned to life in a landfill or in the bottom of somebody's junk car bin if I hadn't stepped in and got it from a diecast show. But there he is. He's back to his former glory, and he's going to be having a spot on my little display. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later.